Hi everyone, I am super excited for this video. I'm filming it super early because I feel like I'm gonna have a chaotic next few weeks, but I'm just gonna do it for you guys and we'll see where this goes. So this is my update for Project Monopoly, which is a game I created about summer of 2024, was it? Wow. So I am now preparing to release board 4, but I want to do my final update for board 3, and then we'll like show you guys what board 4 looks like. It is even unpublished, and so I'm gonna try and get it all out, but I'm very excited about what it looks like and to show you guys. So it's basically a Project Pan game based on the game board of Monopoly. I have added in spinners and dice rolls and challenges and all sorts of stuff. Kind of encapsulates me as a chaotic project panner. I love having the games do all the work, so to decide my uses, decide my prompts, not so much to my products, but you know, does most of the work for me. I created a whole website around it, so I'll link that down below. Check it out, click some buttons, you know, you have fun with it. There's no set time to join, no set update, so like use the game as a tool for your project planning goals and you know, have some fun with it. So but yes, let me go ahead and update you on my products from board 3. Last time my first prompt that I got was skin, and I actually it was a rollover. I had 3 SPF samples and I used my last one, so check, that one's done. I also finished my Dr. Jart moisturizer, check, done. I don't even have to show you. And then I got the prompt winter, and I said I would use my Misha toner. It's in this little bottle here 6 times, and I did. And I actually, despite having used this, I think close to probably 15 times, I still have that much left. And I have a large one. It's just I've been decanting in there. And then my next prompt was diamond, and I got aqua steel. I don't think I got to use it the 10 times I said I would, but I have been using it regularly. So I'm just gonna go ahead and roll it out for the sake of me starting a new board. But that's something I'm dedicated to continue using. The next one was my eyeshadow primer, and I said I would use it 10 times, and I totally did. This is just actually a sample I got during the summer of 2025, and still a lot left. So we'll see if it lasts me a whole year. Sample alone, can you believe it? And then last one was bath, and I chose my conditioner in there and I finished that. I even added stuff to it and still finished that, so go me. But let me go ahead and start recording and show you my new board. I call this my challenge board because I've loved the challenge wheel aspect. It's basically where I have, like, you know, kind of really silly challenges of like, try 5-minute face, like, you know, like OG like YouTube makeup challenges. And also just some other ones, you know, like clean your makeup brushes or Franken a product, because that's what I really enjoy doing, like mixing together products and seeing what happens. But yes, this one is a kind of crazy board, and this one will likely also be the last board that I end up building. I really enjoyed the process very, very much, but I think at the same time, it has also been like, I don't really know where to go from here. I mean, I'm sure I could keep like getting new colors and whatever, but I feel like I've kind of touched on a lot of different aspects of makeup and how I use my makeup. So I think this might be it for now, and I feel like if you want to continue this, then, like, you know, just rotate through the boards. Like 4 boards is a lot. So yes, let me go ahead and bring you through it really quickly, and then I'll play for myself to see if it works. In my head, it works. As you can see, it's an unpublished version of the site, so we're just going to test it together, and hopefully it goes decently well. So this is kind of like the spin the wheels or like challenges kind of board. Oh goodness, I still have the wrong dates up here, so that's not something I'll fix, right? But a lot of other things I think I got around to actually updating. So I have kind of basic instructions up here. And first up, you have your dice to roll, and I actually have my physical dice today, so I will use this with you guys. Here is the board for this time around, and I'll explain kind of why there's huge numbers around. But basically, this is all centered around 6 challenge wheels. They're not all challenge wheels, they're prompt wheels, I guess, that I have down here. So there's the random use wheel, then I have these color-coded. They're kind of color-coded to match the numbers that are on the board. There's going to be wheels 1 through 6, And basically, when you land on a number, that's the wheel you're going to go to. I also have choose your wheel, so you can look through all of them and see which one you would prefer to spin. I also have ones that just like, you know, moves your spaces. Roll the dice. This one's an interesting one. So you're going to roll the dice, and then basically whatever number shows up on the purple dice or die is going to be the wheel you have to roll from. And then of course we have our corner ones, which is there's finish, shit, jail, and just visiting. So if you like land on that one, you're just visiting, you just roll again. But if you get sent there by this corner of go to jail, then you would have to pick a product to finish. And then there's also the other one is just roll again. So I tried to make most of them like rolling or jail. So hopefully that helps a little bit. Let me bring you through the wheels really quick. I have a random use wheel, completely optional to use. But since I like my games to choose everything for me, uses it is as well. So there's the typical numbers. There's also roll the dice. So basically you would roll the dice and that would be your number of uses. So it would be up to 12. And then also you have choose your use. So that you can use that as well. Man, I can barely click that button. That might be something I'll just have to expand the wheel a little bit. I made all these wheels through Google AI and had that code it for me, so I didn't like really mess with the size or anything, so it's gonna be a little bit chaotic, but it still works at least, and it's all one page. That was my main thing. Okay, so the wheels are kind of like, I kind of like them as like neighborhoods. Like I try to put each wheel as like a category. So like the first one's like kind of skincare, body care, hair care type stuff, right? Like the like the hair type stuff. And then you have your face stuff, and then you have like your complexion stuff. You have this wheel 3 is based off of what used to be the middle prompts of like least used, most used, oldest, and newest products. And then wheel 4 is like face color cosmetics, so like a cream product, a bronzer, powder, blush. Wheel 5 is a little bit more actually generic category, so something, a lip product, an eye product, a nail product, and a brow product. Like I probably could have made a separate wheel for each of those, but I was like, let me just put it all into one. And then wheel 6 is the typical like challenge wheel where it's like declutter, franken something, clean your tools, something that's in your purse, bold look, and try new techniques. So I did explain I think all of them down here at the bottom, and I did also update the rules and stuff like that to reflect kind of how to navigate all these wheels and boards and things like that. So shall we try? Let's do it. Okay, so I'm gonna roll my dice and see where I land first. I'm gonna start from start. This is an 11. Oof, a big one to start. Okay, so that is going to be wheel number 4. And wheel number 4 gives me the prompt, cream product. Okay, got my paper here. And a cream product. Okay, and I like to just choose them live with you guys. What is the cream product that I need to use up right now? Well, the closest one I have is probably my Ilia bronzing one, and because this is a more face wheel, I actually haven't used it on my face in a long time. So let me roll for how many times I'll use it on my face as a bronzer contour. There it goes. Ooh, roll the dice. Okay, going. Actually, I can roll my own dice. Let me do that. 8 times. Okay. 8 times. All right. Roll the dice again. Oh wow, that is a skew like that. Okay, cool. 7. So from here is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, wheel 5. An eye product. I'm already working on so many eye products, but I might, yeah, I'm going to keep working on this. I'm going to bring back my Aqua Seal because I've actually been using this as mascara. So let's just see how many times I use it as mascara. I mix it with like a really, really dark eyeshadow, and I definitely have a lot of things to experiment still, so I'm gonna go ahead and 20 times. Okay, okay, I'll take it, I'll take it. I don't even know if I have 20 times enough drops in there, but I literally only need 1 drop. Okay, so I need an eye product. I said I would use my Aqua Seal as mascara and 20 times. And then my next prompt here is, oh, I just rolled the dice. I don't need to do that. I have my own dice to roll. Wow, I'm not very good at this. Try again. 4. I went from 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Choose your wheel. Okay. Do I have a favorite wheel? I mean, I'll just do the challenge one because I can, right? That is a Franken. Actually, I have a Franken in mind, so I will do that. I wanted to Franken something out of this palette. It's going to be kind of bittersweet, but something I do want to do. Okay. That's my next challenge. And then this one is a 3. Went from choose your wheel here, right? Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Move 5 spaces. Oh, go to jail. Okay, okay. It's fine. I made this game. I need to suffer my own consequences. Finish. Let's see here. Is there something I want to finish? I'm working on lip balm in another project already. Something easy I can finish. Oh, should I actually? No. Yes. Yes. Kind of between 2. Okay, I'm gonna do not the hardest one, but second hardest. This is a primer that I've been just looking at in my condensed makeup palette, so I'm gonna put it down to just finish it. I have something similar now, and it's gonna be very bittersweet to see that one go. That's the MAC primer Pore Refined Zone. I find it truly magical, and the one that I got to replace it doesn't quite match, but it's like I'm just gonna work through it, you know. So finished. Okay, and then my last prompt, yes, last one is 11 again. Okay, so I'm gonna go from Finish Jail, go back to Wheel 5, and see what I get. Wheel 5 is actually quite broad now that I'm looking at it. Brow. I don't actually have any dedicated brow products, but what I have been doing a few times is using whatever was left on my Aqua Seal mascara concoction and running that through my brows, and I just don't do that very often. So I'm just going to do a random use goal in terms of how many more times I do it like that, just to kind of keep experimenting with the way that I use my collection. So brow and do that 10 times. Okay. That's more of a technique than it is like a product, but hey, we'll take it. Okay, so a quick summary here. I have the Ilia one. I have my Aqua Seal. I have a Franken of something out of here. Finish my primer thing out of here and use my Aqua Seal as primer. So that's kind of the spread there. But yeah, no, honestly, I think it went decently smooth. At least the way I imagined it and the way I designed it, right? So I'm hoping that you will enjoy this board as much as I have, and that this one's really special to me. That this is probably my last one, and I think it's so much fun, and I love that. My last board is one of the most fun ones where you just are spinning things and rolling things, and yeah, it's really, really special to me. So anyways, please let me know if you are joining. I host this both here on YouTube as well as on Reddit. If you post on Instagram, that's wonderful. I just haven't been on there for very often. But I'm super, super excited about where this is going to go. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.